Welcome to the VIBE AI agent orchestration platform. In this guide, we'll walk you through installing and using your first AI agent. First, navigate to the Agents section in the main menu and select Bazaar to explore the community marketplace. Here, you'll find a variety of pre-built agents. Let's install the Market in a Nutshell agent. It provides a daily market snapshot, fetching data for stocks, crypto, and commodities, and can even post updates directly to your Twitter X account. Click Install and connect your Twitter profile. Once installed, you'll find the agent in your My Agents tab. Now let's customize it. You'll be taken to the Agent Builder. Here, you can describe the exact workflows you want to automate. For example, let's edit the cookbook workflow to automatically post to Twitter every day at 13:30 UTC. You can also give the agent the freedom to improvise and edit the cookbook as it sees fit. The agent will then get to work, fetching the current configuration and listing the available workflows. Once it's ready, it'll propose the exact edits and, with your approval, implement them. You'll see a confirmation that the daily market snapshot is now active and will run at the scheduled time. It will also provide you with options to disable the trigger, switch to a draft-only mode, or run a manual test. For agents that require on-chain transactions or access to paid data feeds via X402, you'll need a wallet. Creating one is as simple as chatting with your agent. Just ask, "What is my base wallet? If I don't have one, please create it." Your agent will instantly set up a new wallet and provide you with the address and instructions on how to add funds. And that's it. Explore the bazaar to discover more agents and start automating your digital world with VIBE AI.